what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is B, and if you're not familiar with me or my channel, I like to talk about mental health, beauty, and fashion, okay? So today we have another Colourpop review for a new Colourpop palette. Yay! We love Colourpop. It's affordable, it's popping, it's what's up. Okay, so they came out with a new coconut collection, and I'm sorry guys if this sounds like rehearsed because I actually just filmed this and I didn't film it, okay? So I'm redoing it. So this is the coconut collection. Coconut collection. So yes girl, it is a neutral tone 9 shadow palette. And it has 6 items in this collection. I have received 5 of the 6 items in this collection, so I'll be telling you guys about it, and I'll be showing you guys clips of close-ups and swatches that I've done because I know that's what you guys are here for. Also, I did go ahead and use it on my eyelids just as a demo so you guys can see it throughout the video as I'm talking. I did use only this palette on my eyes so you guys can see like a little demo, a little action. Nothing too crazy, just a very lazy slay. And of course it looks a little bit more on the glam side because I use a metallic color on the lid, but you don't have to do that. So yes, so the first product in this collection is the Going Coconuts Shadow Palette, which is right here. You have to appreciate the packaging. I mean, you just kind of have to. So cute. And then boom, here's the palette. Okay, very neutral, very chill, not trying to do too much, okay? For the girls, for work or whatever you're trying to do. And I'll do a close-up of that as well. I think it's cute, it's small, it's something easy to throw into your bag if you're on the go. That's what I do like about these 9 shadow palettes. 9 pan palettes, whatever you want to call them. So it says bronze 9 pan palette, perfect for your holiday in the sun, cute, compact, and ready for your glam night out in paradise. Or I think even just like a good slay, because it does have like a simple slay, because it does have 9 shadows, but 3 of them are metallic. So the 3 in the middle are metallic colors. You can see them kind of cover everything. You have like a white one, whitish one, more pinkish, and a brown bronze called the Coco. I'm in love with the Coco, and that is on there. And then the rest of them are more matte. You have one that's kind of, what is that word? When it has the glitter in it, I can't think of it. Pearlescent, I guess. You have one shadow that's pearlescent. So yes, that's the first product in the collection. The next product is the Me On My Shellphone Super Shock Shadow Trio, and that is this baby right here. And I just love the how they package this. This is so cute, like a little window. You can pull it out and see all of these. And of course, these are all bronze brown theme metallic shadows. And I mean, the Super Shock is a favorite. It's a OG of the Colourpop brand. We all know about it. We all love it. And they're just so perfect for lid colors. They just pop. I actually didn't use any of these today, but I will be using some in the future. I do have some swatches that I'll show you guys right around here, somewhere like this, so you can see the swatches on my arm. Okay, and these are in the color Peekaboo, A Little Quirky, and Deep Dive. I'm pretty sure not all these colors are new, if any of them are new, but I'm not super ultra familiar with all of the Super Shock shadows on Colourpop's line. I'm not even gonna lie. Also, this shadow, or this collection, is launching in a couple hours. It launches on November 13th at 10 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. I'm Central Standard Time, so it's 11 here. So I think it's gonna launch at 12 my time, so we got about an hour. I'm gonna try to get this up as soon as I can. I did get this package like today, so I am rushing, trying to get it up for you guys, but I am trying to do this as fast as I can. Okay, so then the next thing in the collection is the, ooh, I feel like I look weird. The next thing in the collection is the Creme De Coco Cream Gel Liner Bundle. This is the one thing I don't have. I actually wish I had it because your girl loves a brown neutral liner type vibe, okay? So I'm sad about that, so I will have to look at that when the product does launch and see what's up with that, because I do not have that. Next is the Coco Loco Lippie Bundle, and I love this because this is one of those lippy bundles that is like, it has the lippy scrub. It's more of a lippy care bundle. It has the lippy scrub and the lippy balm. So I feel like, okay, yeah, coconuts in the fall, but girl, we need some lip care. We about to get dry and crusty. It's like 10 degrees outside. You need to take care of your lips, okay? So Colourpop is coming through for the girls with this because I just love that, and it's a whole vibe. And honestly, lately I've been wearing nothing but like lip balm and like Vaseline and stuff on my lips anyway, so this is right on time. I think this fits in with like, I feel like it fits in. I feel like I need it, and I'm very excited about a lip scrub because we need to make sure we're exfoliating our lips so our lips can be shabopping, period. So yes, that's the fourth part of the collection. The fifth part of the collection is the Shall We Dance plus Coconut Kiss Just a Tint lip duos, and they're just like lip tints, which are these babies right here. I'm sorry if this angle is weird, guys. And then you have like this really neutral color, and you have like this mauve color, but I think they're both very neutral. As you can see, I swatched it on my arm, and I'll insert that as well. But on my lip, it's just a tint. Like, this probably looks, you could probably see it more on lighter lips, but it's literally just like a balm to me. And like I said, this goes along with the winter care. Like what I was saying, I love a good moisturizing lip tint, and that's what it feels like. Comfortable on the lips, gives it a little shine, and we can go about our day. And last but not least, Talk to the Palm and Coconut Beach bronzer compacts. I have one, and mine is in the color Talk to the Palm. I actually really like this. It was very easy to use, and I have it right here in the hollows of my cheeks, like right here underneath my highlighter. So I did use it a little bit on my face. Up in here. Obviously your girl used more highlight than she used bronzer because yes, I actually just threw my face together because I just got off work, and I'm gonna take all this off in a second. So yeah, I try my best to get a little face going for you guys, but it's not my best work, I'm not gonna lie. But I just wanted to demo some of the products for you guys, so I hope you guys like it. So yeah, that's the 6th product in the coconut collection, okay? So that's all that I've received, and that's all that I know that's part of the collection. So my thoughts real quick about the Going Coconuts palette. I feel like it's not a necessity. I feel like if you need a good neutral palette or something like this, then yes, you should buy it. It fits in your bag, it's small, and it's affordable, and it gets the job done. A lot of these browns are like lid colors for us brown girls, like just neutral skin tone colors. I'm not gonna lie, 2 of them. The darker brown pops, you just build it, so it's fine. And then Shell Yeah, which is right here, it's like a almost mauve color. It does show up if you build it as well. But a lot of these are neutral, like lid colors, if you're trying to do like a neutral cut crease or something like that. So if you're looking for a palette like that, then I say yes, go for it. But if you already have something like this, I don't think it's a necessity, honestly. Like me, I probably have these colors in a bunch of different palettes, but to have it in one palette, I guess, is the thing that's like mostly convenient about this. So that's my thought on that. The shadows are very nice. I will note that I use this middle shadow Cocoa Crush right here on my lid, and immediately had like fallout all under my eyes, and I actually used my finger and it still like had a lot of fallout. So I expect fallout. Make sure you do your eyes first, girls, because I don't usually do that, but I did it today. So that's my thoughts on this. The bronzer was nice. I wish it was a little bit darker, to be honest. I feel like it's 2 shades, and I feel like neither of them are probably that dark. So that's still my feedback for Colourpop on that. Love the shadows, and I think it's a cute little collection. I think yeah, it's a cute little vibe. I'm interested to see what Colourpop has next, guys. Are you expecting next from Colourpop? Do you like this palette? Do you like these videos? Give me a comment down below. If you watched this far, have you subscribed to the channel? Because you're basically part of the squad by now. So stop right now, subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up if you liked it, comment your favorite part down below, and I will see you guys in the next one, okay? Also, guys, I forgot to include, if you decide to purchase, you can use my code 5B, boom, for $5 off your first order. Sorry, my dog distracted me. So yeah, if you guys decide to make a purchase, make sure you use the code 5B for $5 off your order, because that's basically a free lippy, a free eyeshadow, a free some, okay? So get you some for free, and tell them your girl B sent you, period. All right?